Find screws.
The door panel is attached to the door with 2 screws, Torx 30. Remove the cover of the inside door handle. Starting from the bottom, pry it out. Next, pull the window regulator switch upwards out of the panel. Disconnect the 2 plugs for the window regulators and the mirror adjustment. Pull the red safety catch back a little and release the lock by pressing. The mirror adjustment plug only has a lock to press and can then be removed. Now you have access to the 2 screws.
Remove door panel.
Remove the 2 screws. Now the panel is only attached to the door with clips. Starting from the bottom, pull on the panel and gradually release the clips. Finally, pull the panel upwards out of the window regulator shaft. At the rear upper end of the panel there is another clip, which is also released from the door by pushing it upwards.
Detach the inside door handle.
The Bowden cable is attached with hooks at both ends. Carefully loosen the hooks and then remove the Bowden cable. Please do not tear. This may damage the hooks or even tear them off completely. Then simply pull the cable upwards out of the panel.
Unplug lighting.
Now it is still possible that your Ibiza has ambient lighting. The plug for this is without special lock and is only firmly plugged into each other. That's it. Good luck with your DIY project.